you need to replace your Ford 2.3 liter ignition control module, well, this video is for you. Let's go. Disconnect your battery. With the short blade screwdriver, we will pry the locking tab of the top connector and remove it. Repeat for the bottom connector. I know we cannot see it, but neither can I. We will get the hang of it. I'm going to gently move some of these wires around to make some room. With a 5.5mm socket and a 1/4" ratchet, we will remove the 3 bolts this truck came with from the factory from the ignition control module. We are going to take our time here. If you have AC, this is a tight spot, and some of it will be done by feel, as we will not be able to see when our hand is down in the hole. Break the bolt loose, then just use the socket to remove the bolt the rest of the way by hand. I like to use a scraper to get the bulk of the old heat sink compound removed. Get a rag and some brake clean and clean the mounting surface. This is important because this dissipates the heat from the ignition control module and makes it last a lot longer. Apply all the thermal conductive heat sink plaster supplied with the new ICM. Do not use dielectric grease like some videos are telling you. This is a no. Not the same stuff. Reinstall with the 1 and the 6 at the top, and one of the 2 holes needs to be bolted so that we get a proper ground, as seen in the image. Put 1 bolt in place like so. That way you're not fighting, holding it in place while starting the bolt. Slide into place and get all the bolts started. Torque bolts to 22 to 31 inch-pound. Reinstall the 2 connectors. hook up the battery, and test. Thank you for watching. If this video helped, please hammer that like and subscribe button.